Hey everybody, it's Josh Trandy, aka Security Dad. I am doing my security final video project. I'm covering Microsoft 365 security features. I'm taking the MS500 and I'm going to go over some of the coolest features that I've learned about so far. So the first one is Microsoft Secure Score. Microsoft Secure Score is a measurement of an organization's security posture with a higher number indicating more improvement actions taken. Following the Secure Score recommendations can protect your organization from threats. From a centralized dashboard in the Microsoft 365 Security Center, organizations can monitor and work on the security of their Microsoft 365 identities, data, apps, devices, and infrastructure. Secure Score and how it works. You are given points for configuring recommended security features, viewing security reports, and improving integration with third-party apps. Some recommendations will grant you points for each step you complete in the process. Others will only give you points when the entire process is complete. One example is implementing MFA, or multi-factor authentication. For users in your tenant, if the improvement action states you get 30 points by protecting all of your users with MFA, and you only have 5 out of the 100 total users protected, you would be giving a partial score of around 2 points. 5 protected people divided by 100 total people times the 30 max points equals 2 points partial score. Secure Score is a really great feature for admins who may not be so security conscious. It allows admins to easily identify security loopholes they may have within their organization that they may have otherwise missed. Microsoft has done a great job with step-by-step instructions to perform each of the steps outlined in Secure Score. So I'm going to go ahead and demo Secure Score. This is in one of my labs for my certification course. But so you go into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you go to Compliance, and then you select Secure Score from the dashboard. It gives you a history. This is in the last 30 days. It's went up 7 points. But the important thing to look at here is the improvement actions that you can take. So here's in the example of requiring MFA for anybody in an admin role. Once you select the option you want to do, you can go ahead and it gives you a pretty good step-by-step of what you have to do. So in this one, it wants us to go into Azure, make a new policy, select the users, and put anybody in an admin role. This is protecting us against password cracking, account breaches, elevation of privilege. Other ones are just enabling password self-service. Um, just a lot of basic stuff you should do to keep your environment secure. And, not everybody knows all this stuff, so go ahead and just go through these. Gives you good step-by-step instructions. Back to the PowerPoint. Another cool feature that I found was the Advanced Threat Protection, also known as ATP. Tenants with a Microsoft Office 365 E5 license get access to some of the amazing features of Microsoft Advanced Threat Protection and Secure Score as well. The other two I'm most excited about are Safe Links and Safe Attachments. They are part of the Advanced Threat Protection suite. Safe Attachments, this one is pretty cool, is a feature in Office 365 ATP that opens every attachment of a supported file type in a special hypervisor environment, or a VM, more people might be familiar with. Checks to see if the attachment is malicious, and then takes action to protect your organization. It's designed to protect organizations by detecting malicious attachments even before antivirus. Basically, it takes your attachment and it opens it in a safe environment. If it's deemed malicious, it's wiped. If it's not malicious, it's released to you. You don't even notice. It happens in the background. Safe attachments can analyze attachments that are common targets for malicious content, such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, executables, and Flash files. It really takes the guesswork out of, is this attachment safe to open or not? Attachments are tested in a virtual environment that run different versions of the Windows operating system and applications. The attachments are executed and undergo a behavior analysis to determine if the file executes malicious behavior such as installing a Trojan horse or a virus that makes changes to the registry or system settings that result in a system or network being more vulnerable to attack. Safe attachments does allow you to customize its behavior. There are 4 options to choose from. You choose Monitor, which delivers messages with attachments and then tracks what happens with the detected malware, used to track where malware goes in your organization. AKA, you could see if it targets the CEO more or someone in HR. Blocks messages with detected malware and sends the message and attachment to Microsoft for analysis. Replace removes malware and adds an attachment notifying a user that a malicious attachment was removed. Replace also sends the original message and attachment to Microsoft for analysis. Dynamic delivery delivers messages immediately. Attachments are replaced with a placeholder file and then are delivered after the attachment has been tested. Dynamic delivery is the fastest method. Your business needs must be considered when choosing what option to select. Safe links is similar to safe attachments, except the URL is not tested in a hypervisor environment. Instead, the URL is copied when the user clicks on it and is routed to a secure Microsoft server where it is checked against a list of malicious sites. If the site is malicious, the user is redirected to a Microsoft page informing them of the malicious site. If the site is not detected, then the user is sent to the original site. This all happens instantaneous. You don't even see a delay. This is an example of the redirection page. Another cool feature is spoof intelligence. Spoof intelligence is used to view users that are attempting to spoof your domain. You are given the option to approve or deny the spoofing attempt. One reason you would allow a spoofed user is when you use an outside organization to test your employees' ability to spot phishing attempts. Example, at my work, we use a program or a site called KnowBe4, and we make phishing emails, create phishing emails, and then send them to our clients using their domain, spoofing it as their domain so it looks like it comes from within their company. And we just do like IT department at blah, blah, blah. Another feature of spoof intelligence is that you can use it when you get repeated spam and it looks like they successfully spoofed your domain. So here is what the Spoof Intelligence Console looks like, and you can see the spoofed users column. This is the address that they spoofed the company, and the sending infrastructure. So sending infrastructure is the really important part because we had a client that was getting repeatedly spoofed, and we would block the random letters at the company domain. And after getting 10, 15 of these, we were getting very frustrated. We were able to come in here and find that they were coming from linkclub.jp, and we were able to block that domain, therefore halting the bad actor completely unless they go and manufacture a new domain to continue their phishing campaign. As you can see, there's just tons from this link club, and each time they get blocked, they just sail.